Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook clam chowder soup. Get ready to create a truly delicious and comforting bowl of homemade clam chowder. We'll go through all the steps, from gathering your ingredients to simmering it to perfection. This classic soup is surprisingly easy to make and will surely become a favorite in your kitchen. Let's dive in and start cooking up some warmth. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh or canned clams, 3 medium-sized potatoes, and 6 slices of bacon. Don't forget 1 large onion, 2 stalks of celery, and 4 cups of clam juice or chicken broth. For that signature creaminess, have 2 cups of heavy cream and 4 tablespoons of butter ready. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of dried thyme. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by dicing and cooking your 6 slices of bacon in a large pot until they are wonderfully crispy. Remove the bacon, leaving about 2 tablespoons of fat. Sauté your diced onion and celery in that flavorful fat until they are soft, which takes about 5 minutes. Add your peeled and diced potatoes, 4 cups of clam juice, and bring it to a simmer. Cook until the potatoes are tender, around 15 minutes. Finally, it's time to finish and enjoy your magnificent clam chowder. Stir in your 2 pounds of clams, 2 cups of heavy cream, and 4 tablespoons of butter. Heat gently for about 5 minutes, being careful not to boil. Ladle your hot chowder into bowls. Garnish generously with the crispy bacon you cooked earlier and a sprinkle of fresh parsley. Serve immediately with some crusty bread or oyster crackers. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.